What are you saying, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back with another video for you guys today. So today I want to discuss the one and only goal when it comes to money. So you guys have probably heard about, money doesn't buy you happiness, money is the root of all evil, those kind of things. And, I completely understand when people say those kind of things because of what they've experienced, how other people react to money, what money makes people do. Okay, so that's all normal, there are a lot of people in that situation. But I want to talk about, my personal reason for wanting money and what many other people who have money and have a lot of money wanted it for. There are a lot of small goals, when it comes to money, why you want money, why you want to make money. But there's one real pure overall goal. There's one real goal when it comes to why you want to make money. Now, of course, money is what makes the world go round. We need money for a lot of things. A lot of people make money so they can pay their bills. A lot of people make money so they can pay off their loans. And that's perfectly normal. Now, I do love making money because it gives me the option of having a nice dinner, going on a holiday, taking a vacation, eventually buying a nice car, buying a nice house, taking lots of trips around the world. All those kind of things. So money obviously gets you those kind of things, and without money you can't do most of the things I just mentioned. But all of these things I just mentioned are a lot of the smaller reasons why I actually want money, and a lot of the smaller reasons why people actually want money in general. So you're probably wondering, what is the main reason that I want to make money? And I'm going to explain that to you in a second. But before we get that, I want to make sure you guys are understanding that one huge reason that we want to make money is because people will hit the like button on these videos. So make sure you guys hit that thumbs up on these videos so you guys understand the importance of having money in life. Trust me, it sounds a bit difficult to you guys to understand, but trust me, hit that like button, you're going to start understanding the reason that we make money. And also, money might start falling to you. Who knows? Money doesn't fall out of trees. Money doesn't drop from the sky. Who knows? Just try it out and then see what happens. But also, make sure you guys are commenting because, money might start coming to you that way. So start commenting these videos a little bit more and see what happens. Make sure also that if you're new around here, you hit that red button below. Hit that red button. See again what happened. Obviously, you'll subscribe to the channel. You'll get a lot more great videos. Just hit that red button, see how maybe your life starts to improve and money starts to get attracted to you. Just try it out. But lastly and most importantly, make sure that we are sharing these videos with your friends. It might not bring you back a lot of money, it might not bring you back any money, but share these videos with your friends and who knows, maybe they'll start to give you money because you find them a great channel which can help them save money and help them become better with money. So try all those things I just mentioned out and see how you get on and get back to me with that. So what is the one and only goal, the main goal that I'm talking about when it comes to why I want to make enough money? Well, it's pretty simple. We all have a lot of problems, we all have a lot of issues. And there are some that can never be solved. There are some that get solved by money. But the huge important goal that I want to talk about and I want to focus on when it comes to making enough money is the fact that once I make enough money, or my aim when it comes to making enough money, is to ensure that I'll never ever have to worry about money again. Now, this can go for so many different things. This can cover, all those little things I mentioned earlier. Having a nice dinner, paying for a nice house, buying a new car, going on vacation, taking holidays. It can cover all those kind of things. But there are a lot of bigger things, bigger problems, bigger issues that may occur because of money. Having to pay off huge loans, having to pay off huge debt. That comes down to money. But I want you guys to understand that overall in the whole context of things, my aim at least, of making money is to ensure that I'll never have to worry about money at all in any situation. I've got TV subscription payments. I don't have to worry about it. I want to have a nice dinner. I don't have to worry about it. All those small things are nice, but imagine the bigger scale of things. You have family who needs help, who don't have a lot of money, who have, just lost their jobs. They need money. Guess what? You have so much money that you don't have to worry about that kind of thing. You help them out. You have medical bills. You have student loans to pay off. You don't have to worry about that because you are making enough money. Your aim here, my aim here, is to help you guys understand that once you start making enough money to never have to worry about money again, many problems disappear. Most importantly, all money problems will disappear. Of course, health issues might not disappear. Of course, bringing back loved ones will never work. But you made enough money so you never have to worry about money again. Because a lot of people do not realize that a lot of problems come from not having enough money. A lot of issues in people's daily lives come from lack of money. Wouldn't it be nice to never have to worry about money again? You want to take nice trips, you want to have dinners, you want to buy nice cars. You don't have to worry about money. You want to get a flight tomorrow to go and visit wherever. You have enough money. Your lack of money is not holding you back from anything. And this may start rolling off into bigger things. Financial institutions will not bother you because you have money. They might even bother you, but it doesn't matter because your money will take care of that. All your money problems will go. That is the aim, that is the reason that I want to make so much money. Because all of my money problems will be gone. Sure, you might get more headaches here and there because of taxes, because of people trying to bring you down, because of whatever may go on. But you will not have to worry about money problems. You don't have to worry about those small annoying things which mess up your day, which start to roll into other things. Your friends might even put you in a situation that you don't like because they borrowed money from you, or maybe even worse, they took advantage of you because they knew you had money. You might lose some money, get robbed by your own friends. Oh well, you got enough money, you're making money that you don't need to worry about that kind of money. But I'm saying those small things which annoy you, which mess up your day, you won't have to worry about. And that doesn't mean I'm saying you should let them take advantage of you. But I'm saying in case that situation does occur and that sort of thing does happen, you don't have to worry about it. It doesn't mess up your day. It doesn't stop you from doing other things. It doesn't affect other things in your life, like paying bills or paying someone else back their money or anything like that. The fact that you have enough money, that you're making enough money, that you don't have to worry about any money problems would be a brilliant feeling. I can't stress it to you guys enough how money problems are solved because of money. It sounds very simple, sounds very basic, but not enough people realize that that's the aim that people use to get money. That's a lot of the fuel, the reason behind why people actually want to make money. So if you don't really understand what I'm saying, let me clear it up to you. The aim, the importance of having money is so that, all the difficulties you face, which occur from the lack of money, will be gone. You won't have to worry about not having enough money for certain things because, again, obviously you would have enough money. So, again, just to simplify it, it's not about the material things, it's not about the lavish things of life, it's about solving the money problems, the money issues that you may have. A lot of things in your life come at you and, you're stopped by them, you're held back because of money problems. Certain things that are happening in your life or have happened in the past would have come your way at the expense of money. So you might have had a bad day because you didn't have enough money to, pay for an Uber to travel somewhere. You might have had a bad day because you know that, someone owes you money and you don't quite have enough money now to pay for next month's rent. That's the kind of thing I'm talking about. These are small instances, but I hope you guys understand what I'm saying on a, overall level. Not only the nice dinners, the nice holidays, the nice cars, paying for a house, it's those small things that, you don't have to worry about because, again, money comes your way and the problems that are coming your way are not at the expense of money. So to sum it up overall, the dream, the goal is to be able to do anything without having to worry about money, without having to worry about checking the bank, without having to worry, if you have enough money, if you want to do this or you do that, no matter how expensive it can be. So yeah, sure, eventually, that goes down to having a dinner, buying a car, those kind of things, the bigger things, looking at prices when you go shopping, when you go to buy things, when you go out with friends. But like I said, overall, money's a tool and money can make your life easier, when you use it right. It's not the pursuit of money that, I'm talking about here. I'm talking about using money to your benefit, creating enough money, having enough money so you don't have to worry about money problems. So being materialistic, of course, that's not good. But wanting to, pursue money, to earn money so that you don't have to worry about anything to do with money, that nothing else in your life is affected by your lack of money, that's the right thing to have. That's the right mentality to go with. That's also what we call the search for financial freedom. But it doesn't come easy. You're going to definitely have to hustle hard for it. But I know that you guys can do it. I'm on that pursuit, I'm on that search, I'm on that chase, and I'm sure you guys are on that chase as well. Just try it, just keep going. Remember that it's not the material things we want, not the materialistic items, not the, designer clothes, the fancy lifestyle, living on a yacht, none of that. It's just the simple things, not having to worry about money, not having to worry about anything that will come your way due to your lack of having money. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As always, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, share, all the good stuff. Overall, hope you guys have a great day. Hit the links in the description, the usual stuff. But that's today's video, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. I got money making, you got money making. See you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.